When you're working with Gmail, sometimes when you send an email, you're going to want to add an attachment to it. You've got several options for adding attachments. One of the easiest is to drag and drop what you want. So in order to do that, we're going to make our Gmail compose window pop into its own screen. I'm going to minimize the stuff in the background. And the file that I want to insert, the file that I want to attach, is right here on my desktop. I grab it, I drag it, I drop it, there it is loading up. And it's that simple to drag and drop an attachment. Now, maybe it's not someplace that's on your desktop. The file you're trying to attach is someplace else. You can also click down here on the paperclip to attach a file to your email, just like you're going to attach a piece of paper to another file. Clicking on the paperclip is going to open up a window where you can search for the file that you want to attach to your email. So I can click, let's say that what I'm looking for is in my downloads section. Here's the file I want. I double click it, it loads up, and it's done, ready to go. So two very simple and easy ways to attach files. If I want to add more, I can click the attach button again. I can attach a different file, or I can do something as easy as dragging another file in. 3 files attached, ready to go. If I don't want the file anymore, I can click on the X down the end here. That will delete the file from the email, no longer there. My other option, if I don't need to expand the window, I can just click on the paperclip down here. It'll give me that same search box. I find the file I want to attach, double click it, and there it is. In addition to dragging and dropping, you've got some other options as well when you're going to attach. You can, if you come down here toward the Attach Files button, you'll see that you've got these other options that appear. So if you want to insert a file using your Google Drive, let's say you've got a file saved that you did there, what you can do is come to My Drive, and you find the file that you wanted. Let's say it was this Gmail intro notes. You click, and there it is, and it shows up as a Google Drive file. People who have Google Drive are going to be able to open that and view it, and if you've given them, if you set it as a shared file, or if you've given them sharing permissions, they'll be able to actually edit the file right away without having to download it to their computer and work on it in a specific program like you would have to do if it was a Word file or an Excel file or a PowerPoint file. You can also come down here by the Attach Files button, and in addition to insert files using Drive, you've also got insert photos. So if you want to insert a photo from your computer, you can choose the file, just find it on your computer wherever it's saved, and you can quickly and easily insert that picture. It'll show you a preview. If it's the one you want, you click OK. There it is, inserted right into the email itself. You could also, if you wanted to add a file from the internet, so let's say that if I am over here and I want a picture of a keyboard because I want to show somebody some of the certain keys, I can actually copy this web address, Control-C copy, or I can right-click and copy. Either way, I can go to add it by web address, insert, it'll show me a picture, a preview, I click OK, it inserts the picture right into my email. So I can insert photos, I can insert files from Drive, I can insert files from my computer. I could also, if I wanted to, insert a link. Now I can do that either to text itself that I have typed, and all I need to do then is go to my page, copy the address, select the text, and I can insert a link right into that set of words. Or if I want, I can set a link to an email address. So I could take a set of words and say, when you click these words, it'll send you to this email address. If I click OK, this has now become a link, and it'll ask me if I want to go there. If I click on it in my side, if I send this to somebody, when they get it, they'll just click on it, it'll bring them right to that web address, homedelschools.org. If I want to remove that link, I can just click remove. It's no longer a link, it's just regular text. So I've got several options for things I can insert. It's that simple, it's that easy.